We are student of Ashok Mane, Pharmaceutical Science and Research, Save. Today we are conduct a seminar on question of write a note on good warehousing practice. Subject are quality assurance. Presented by Pratiksha Kumbar, guided by Mr. A.N. Dhage sir. Content: first one, introduction; second, purpose; third, various areas of warehousing; fourth, design; fifth, general guidelines; six, good warehousing practice; seven, rules of warehousing; eight, character of good warehouse; nine, warehouse staff; 10, storage of material and product; 11, stock management; 12, quality assurance. Introduction: maintaining proper storage condition and pharmaceutical product and pre-medical is vital to ensure their quality, safety and efficacy. Factory store will invariably be receiving duly approved raw material and packaging material from third party. A suitable space is provided to raw material handling of raw and packaging material required to manufacturing, including packaging of pharmaceuticals. This space is known as warehouse. It is part of pharmaceutical company. For what purpose? To enable the fastest and cheapest transport of drug and medical equipment from supplier to beneficiary. These are mainly three stages. First, purchase of pharmaceutical product. Second, storage of ordered product. Third, distribution of stocked product. Various areas of warehousing. Receiving area include initial inspection, cleaning and weight checking. Sampling area with adequate facility to prevent cross contamination. Storage area including specific storage like air conditioned rooms, cold rooms, hazardous chemical storage room. Rejected material destroy and returned unsuitable. Dispensing area with adequate facility to preclude cross contamination during dispensing. Design principle: premises must be located, designed, constructed, adapted and maintained to suit the operation to be carried out. Pharmaceutical warehouse. Example of material and people flow. General guidelines: material received against specific supply device. Each such a consignment have written document. All material received by responsible person. Material to be checked for cleanliness and package integrity. Damaged container separate and reporting immediately. Check for proper container labeling. Good warehousing practice: factory stock which should be received with proper document deleting the names of product, the batch number, the number of unit of final packs of each batch, the date of dispatch and the quality control status of batches. The stock control system must be such that only passed batches of products are issued to distribution. Stock should be stored product wise to enable quick identification and control of stock movement. Stock should be therefore is racked and stored in manner the earlier stock more early assemblable than the later ones. Assembled product should be checked for accuracy of quantities and identities of product ordered. Batch details should be recorded in relevant document. Finished product should be packed in the containers and dispatched for the transportation. The unit of product packs should be not contaminated by other product. Vehicle which carry the final package stocks of product should be selected that they are clear, dry and sufficiently protected from rain and other weather factor. They are free from infestation. They do not give off strong odor which may contaminate the product. They are suitable to withstand the weight of the load they carry. Result for warehousing: systematic storage of the delivered goods. Use air circulation and protection against rodent, keeping a space at least 50 cm between the rows of pallets walls, providing each product have only one specific space. One shelves clear labeling of product should be there. Adequate space should be provided for each goods. Provide separate stock card for each product. All boxes in stock should be closed. Flammable product should be stored in separate place. Character of good warehousing: properly cleaned, good Preservation of drug and equipment provides safety for stocked goods, control of air, light, humidity and temperature. Product to be purchased according to need. Order the destruction of unsuitable product. Promote rational use of pharmaceutical product. The warehouse staff. First, the responsible pharmacist, his duties: good management of the stock of the warehouse, good preservation of drug and equipment, safety and stored goods. Second, the warehouse keeper, his duties: reception of supplies, storage of stock of goods, recording of every in and out movement of the product in the stock cart, issue of product during manufacturing. Third, the warehouse worker, his duties: handling operation include the carrying and moving of goods which are intended for storage, shipment and sale. The warehousing staff helps to receive and issues goods and maintain inventory. The cleaner, his duty: ensure cleanliness of premises and equipment. The security guard, his duty: he is responsible for ensuring supervision and security of the warehouse. Storage of raw and packaging material. Storage conditions: special storage area with controlled temperature, humidity and stored off from the floor. Storage of packaging material: bottles, vials, ampoules, tins, tubes should be stored in a manner that they do not contaminated by extraneous matter. Printed packaging material also stored properly. Printed material such as labels, printed films, laminates, cartoons should be kept in storage cupboards. Preventing mix-up printed and non-printed material. Physical segregation of printed and labeled containers should be made. Special precaution is needed for the storage, packaging, labeling controlled product. Handling and issue raw material. Attention to be made for prevent cross contamination. Health of personal handling material. Containers should be closed properly. Material that support microbial growth are handled carefully. Example: agar. Material issued only against authorized person. Person protective device like gloves, face mask, etc. should be used to avoid health person. Person protective device like gloves, face mask, etc. should be used to avoid health hazardous. Adequate dust extraction system should be provided to suck away fine dust as a prevent cross contamination. Handling and issues packaging material. Packaging material issued to production only against packaging material order. Care should be made to check for only right packaging material to be issued. Unlike raw material, expect quantity to packaging material to be issued. Unused packaging material returned to warehouse and will occupied by authorized document. Warehousing of finished product. For avoiding spoilage or breakage, requirement: safe orderly dispatch of all product. Cold storage area have temperature monitoring and recording device. Racking and shelving system should have good mechanical strength. Procedure: stock received for factory with proper documentation, name, batch number, date of dispatch. Finished product which are under test must be quarantined and segregated from past stock. Stock should be stored product wise to enable quick identification and control of stock movement. Store rotation should be first in, first out basis. Quarantine material. Quality assurance SOPs. Each warehouse will have to establish operating procedure. They must be clearly defined for each stage activities. Direct purchase from raw material manufacturer, purchase in via headquarters, reception of local and important orders, unpacking, labeling and storage product, computerized stock management, preparation of an order for delivery, return of drug, management of expired goods, safety and cleanliness of premises. Thank you.